Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode of gold versus stock market. In fact, I can say gold versus economy. Stock market is related to economy, so therefore we can say gold versus stock market or gold versus economy is one and the same. And I posted a video that going forward in future the gold will be bearish and put gold on hold. That was the title I have given. If you have not seen that video, you can watch that video here. There were too many negative comments. And they say that, sir, Fed is printing lot of money. You don't know how much money Fed is printing. You don't know what is QE. You don't know anything, sir. And the gold price will go up. In fact, the last April, the Bank of America, they said the gold prices will touch 3,000 US dollars per ounce in next 18 months. Then sometimes in August, and I said in one of my tweets, the gold prices are peaked out. So going forward, the gold prices will not go up. And in fact, one of my friends, I don't want to name him, but is a good friend of mine. And he said in Twitter handle, he said the gold prices will go up. And he said the gold prices in India for 10 gram, it will go to 60,000 or 65,000, something like that. And one of his followers has replied to him by saying that, sir, Mr. Sundar says the gold price peaked out. And now you say the gold price will go up. So what is your opinion, sir? He is my good friend only. So though he has a difference of opinion, but he has politely said, I will save this Mr. Sundar's tweet and I will show him when the gold prices shoots up. And this has happened last year, August month, sometimes in the middle of August. September, October, November, December, January, February, March is almost 7 months. He has got no opportunity to show that tweet to me. But then 1 week, 10 days later, he was not happy with my tweet and he just put a tweet, but he did not want to offend me. So he put a separate tweet by saying that after gold price falling 5 or 10% and the people are taking bearish view about the gold, and these people know the gold history of past few years only. They do not know the gold history for the past 5,000 years. In fact, in my video in the gold, and I quoted the historical background also for more than thousands of years. And Bank of America declared that gold prices will go up to 3,000 US dollar in 18 months. And they said in the month of April. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, now it's a March is running. So it is almost 10-11 months are over. And yesterday I checked, the gold price is trading below $1,700. And now you see, everybody is talking about interest rate going higher in US markets. US Treasury 10-year bond yield is going above 1.5%. And they say that market has to come down. Theoretically, when the interest rate goes up, the gold price has to come down. When the interest rate goes down, the gold price has to go up. Now see, already people started talking about the rise in interest rate in the market, US market. And as a result, the gold is falling and it is trading below $1,700 per ounce. And in my last video, in the last few seconds, I just said, Bank of America said it will reach $3,000 in 18 months. Now 8 months gone, another 10 months is there. And we will wait for another 10 months to see whether Bank of America is correct or PR Sundar is correct. And thank you for watching. Out of 18 months, 11 months passed. And as of now, I am proud to say that I am the winner, not the Bank of America. And let me tell you, The video I posted, it is on the Indian context. So if you can remember, I quoted 3 things affecting the gold price. One is the international price. Now you see the international price, the high was about $2,100. Maybe if you want me to tell you exactly, I can see from here, $2,089. That was the 52-week high. From $2,089, now it has come below $1,700. So that is nearly 20%. A fall of more than 20% by US definition is considered as a bear market. So the international prices are not good. Second one, I said the rupee US dollar exchange rate. And our rupee is relatively stable. And the commotion we went through because of coronavirus and other things, but our currency did not depreciate much. In fact, in 2013, when the taper tantrum came, the rupee depreciated much more than what the coronavirus depreciation. So the rupee is more or less stable. And the third one I said is the taxation by the government. If you can remember, I said earlier, the import duty was 1%. In 2013, P. Chidambaram has increased that to 10%. And he mentioned clearly this is to arrest the rupee slide. Because the less gold import, then our foreign exchange requirement will be less. That can strengthen our currency. And then later, Nirmala Sitharaman increased the gold tax from 10% to 12.5%. And I said very clearly, ever since this gold tax has gone to 12.5%, the smuggling has become more and more. Because the price difference between Indian and foreign is very high, that incentivizes the smugglers. That is why in the last few years, there were many newspapers we see the gold smuggling. They caught 2 kg gold, caught 3 kg gold, etc., etc. And what happened? Finally, in this budget, Nirmala Sitharaman has reduced the gold tax from 12.5% to 10%. So, whatever I said in my last video, so that is what is happening. And as a very, very long-term investment, I will not say gold is a very good investment, even at this $1,700. But however, gold is an hedge against the inflation. Gold is hedge against the currency depreciation. And my only point is that I am not saying that it is not a hedge against the currency. I am not saying that it is not a hedge against inflation. But going forward, I am expecting less inflation, and going forward, I am expecting less depreciation of Indian rupee. So that is why I am saying the gold prices may not shoot up significantly. And I can remember in 2013, I am talking about the jewelry gold. I think per gram it was around 3,000 rupees. And in 2021, that is around 4,500 rupees. So we can say 50% appreciation. But even bank FD would have gone better than that return. So from 2013 to 2021, even the gold has not given even a bank FD return. So you be cautious if you want to look gold as an investment. And I always say gold is for your personal consumption to enjoy the beauty and not as investment. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.